Hello everyone, today we will start with latitudes and longitudes. So today we will learn how we find the exact location of places on earth. For this we use latitudes and longitudes. So what are latitudes? Latitudes are imaginary horizontal lines drawn around the earth. They measure distance north or south of the equator. So important points to be noted: equator is at 0° latitude and latitudes run from east to west. They help us know how far a place is from the equator. Okay, so is a quick memory trick. Latitude is like a ladder, horizontal. Longitudes are imaginary vertical lines drawn from the north pole to the south pole. They measure distance east or west of the prime meridian. So important points to be noted here is prime meridian is equals to 0° longitude. Longitudes meet at the poles. They help us know time and location. Okay, is a easy memory trick. Longitude equals to long lines, vertical. What is a globe? A globe is a small model of the earth. It shows the earth's shape, continents, oceans, latitudes and longitudes. Okay. So earth is not flat. It is round like a ball, slightly flattened at the poles. This shape is called geoid, right? Earth is almost spherical. Size of the earth is very large. That is why we cannot see it all at once. Diameter is approximately 12,742 kilometers. So we can say if earth were a football, humans would be smaller than ants. Next is earth's axis. The earth rotates on an imaginary line called the axis. The axis passes through the north pole and the south pole. Rotation causes day and night because of this. So we can say at the end, latitudes are horizontal lines, longitudes are vertical lines, globe is the model of earth, earth's shape is round, earth's size is very large and earth's axis is imaginary line. Okay. Now rotation and revolution of earth. We will talk about first rotation. Movement of earth on its own axis. The time taken for 24 hours is 1 day. Effects are causes day and night. The revolution of earth is movement of earth around the sun in its orbit. The time taken is 365, 1/4 days, 1 year. Effect causes seasons. Latitude, imaginary horizontal lines measuring distance north or south of the equator, and the equator is at 0° latitude. What is equator now? Imaginary line around the middle of earth that divides earth into northern and southern hemispheres. So regions near equator are hot. Tropic of Cancer. This is also an imaginary latitude at 23.5° north. The importance is sun is directly overhead on 21st June, northern limit of the tropical Cancer. Okay. Tropic of Capricorn. The Tropic of Capricorn is an imaginary latitude located at 23.5° south of the equator. What is the importance of Tropic of Capricorn? The sun shines directly overhead here on 22nd December, 22 December. It marks the southern limit of the tropical zone. Arctic Circle. The Arctic Circle is an imaginary latitude located at 66.5° north of the equator. Importance of this: areas inside this circle have at least 1 day of 24 hours daylight and 1 day of 24 hours darkness. It marks the beginning of the polar region north. Climate noted to be very cold climate, snow and ice for most of the year. Antarctic Circle. The Antarctic Circle is an imaginary latitude located at 66.5° south of equator that experiences continuous day and night in certain times of the year and marks the southern polar region. The weather is here extremely cold, covered with ice sheets. Some characteristics of latitudes. Latitudes are imaginary horizontal lines. They run east to west. They are parallel to each other. The equator is the longest latitude. The length of latitudes decreases towards the poles. Total latitudes is equals to 180. 90° north plus 90° south. They measure the distance north or south of the equator. Now let's talk about the effect of latitude on climate. Latitude affects how much heat from the sun a place receives. Near the equator, sun rays fall directly. Climate is hot, called tropical region. Between tropics and polar circles, sun rays fall slanting. Climate is moderate, called temperature region. Near the poles, sun rays falls very slanting. Climate is very cold, called polar region. So as we move away from the equator, temperature decreases. Alright. So here is a quick recap. Tropic of Capricorn is 23.5° south. Arctic Circle 66 half degree north. Antarctic Circle 66 half degree south. Latitudes are horizontal lines and the climate depends on latitude. Okay. Some cities by latitudes are given here. So now we will move to longitude. Longitudes are imaginary vertical lines drawn on the earth from the North Pole to the South Pole. And the purpose is to measure distance east or west of the prime meridian and helps in calculating the time. So each latitude is called a meridian. Total longitudes is equals to 360. What are meridians now? Meridians are the imaginary vertical lines of longitude joining the North Pole and South Pole. All meridians are of equal length. They meet at the poles. They help divide the earth into eastern and western hemispheres. Now what is prime meridian? The prime meridian is the 0 degree longitude. Passes through Greenwich, England. That divides the earth into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere, used as the reference line for time calculation. Now we will talk about ideal, international date line. The international date line is an imaginary line located at 180 degree longitude. Date changes when we cross this line. Crossing east to west, add 1 day. Crossing west to east, subtract 1 day. So the ideal is not straight. It bends to avoid cutting through countries and islands. So here is a quick summary. Longitude are vertical lines. Meridian is a long line of longitude. Prime meridian is 0 degree longitude. Ideal is 180 degree longitude. Cities differ in climate due to latitude. Now we will talk about time zones. A time zone is a region of the earth that follows the same standard time. Why it is needed? The earth rotates 360 degree in 24 hours. That means 15 degree longitude is equals to 1 hour. So if every place used its local time, it would be chaotic. So earth is divided into 24 time zones. Each zone is roughly 15 degree of longitude wide. Countries usually adopt one standard time for convenience. Local time. Local time is the actual time at a particular place based on the position of the sun. When the sun is highest in the sky, it is noon, 12 p.m. Local time changes as you move east or west. If it's 12 p.m. in London, it's 5:30 p.m. in India. This happens because India is east of London. Moving east, time increases. Moving west, time decreases. Latitude and longitude grid. The latitude-longitude grid is a network of imaginary lines drawn on Earth to locate places exactly. Latitudes are horizontal lines that measure north or south of equator, or longitudes or meridians are vertical lines measure east or west of prime meridian that helps locate any place accurately, that used in maps, globes or GPS. What are coordinates? Coordinates are the exact values of latitude and longitude of a place. Latitude first, then longitude. For example, New Delhi is 28 degree north or 77 degree east. London is 51 degree north or 0 degree east. So means the key point here is both latitude and longitude are required to find an exact location. So here is a quick summary. Time zones, same standard time regions. Local time, time at a place based on sun. Latitude longitude grid, network of imaginary lines, and coordinates, exact position of a place. So what is global navigation and why do we need it? Finding exact location and direction on earth. So tools we use: maps, globes, compass, GPS, latitude and longitude. Importance: helps travelers, sailors, pilots and trade. Latitude and longitude are the backbone of navigation. Climate and latitude. Latitude is distance north or south of the equator. Effect on climate determines how much sunlight a place gets. So tropical is direct sun is hot, for example Singapore. Temperature, slanting sun, moderate, for example London. Polar, slanting sun, cold, example Antarctica. Farther from equator, colder climate. Alright. So here attaching a practice set. You all can go through one by one to the all questions and answers. Okay, see you in the next session.